11. You are the ones who have to take out the big hairy spider. 12. Being abused in public by a woman and having people laugh instead of intervening to help you. Also, the whole to be a man you have to act a certain way. Brutal. 13. Being expected to be the breadwinner generally by society. Being less likely to gain custody of my own kids in a separation. Being disposable in times of war, and having to deal with my own balls. What if I sat on one? Ouch. 14. Double standard. If a man asks out a girl and the girl rejects, the girl is praised. If a girl asks out a guy and the guy rejects, the guy is rude and mean. 15. I would be terrified of my Johnson getting stuck in a zipper.